Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve your Google Meet. To know how to find the solution about Google Meet, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will enter to the window of Google Meet. After that we click on Force Stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then we click Clear Cache. And in the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You will wait 3 seconds and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.